Today, we're going to explore the Mq2 gas sensor, a handy and affordable device that detects various gases. The Mq2 sensor is popular among hobbyists and professionals, often used in projects to detect gases such as LPG, smoke, alcohol, propane, hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Let's have a look at a diagram of this sensor. It starts with a simple cylindrical casing that contains the sensor element inside. This sensor element uses a heating coil to maintain the temperature of the sensing element inside. The sensor can detect concentrations of gases such as LPG, smoke, alcohol, propane, hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Because it can detect multiple gases, it's quite versatile. Now, regarding its cost, the price for an Mq2 gas sensor is usually quite affordable. Depending on the retailer, prices typically range from $5 to $15 per unit. Prices can vary slightly based on any bulk purchasing discounts, additional components like breakout boards, or wiring kits. In summary, the Mq2 gas sensor is a versatile and affordable tool for detecting a variety of gases, making it indispensable for both hobbyists and professionals in electronics and engineering.